Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 6.4, question number 5. Your question is, find the list number which must be added to the given number to get a perfect square and find out the square root of perfect square. Your first part is 525. For this question, first of all, you find out the square root of 525 by division method. First, you make a pair from ones place to tens place and hundred place. First, you count the square of natural number for first pair. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Means 2 square is subtracted from 5. So we write here 2, 2 to the 4, and 5 minus 4 is 1, and 2 is added here for addition. To go in a next step, and then you bring down the second pair. Then you count the table of 4 for 12. You count it 3 times, but when you write here 3 and write here 3 to multiply 3, 43, you get the number greater than 125. Then you write here 2, and 2 is written here for multiplication and addition for next step. 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 minus 8 is 4, 2 to 4, this is 4. Means 41 is a remainder where division is not possible in the next step. This means square of 22 is less than 525 and square of 23 is greater than 525. Means you write here 22 square is less than 525 and 525 is less than 23 square. Means when this number is equal to 23 square, then this is a perfect square. And for this purpose, we add list number to get a perfect square. For finding the list number, first you write here 23 square is equal to 23 into 23, that is 529. Required number to be added to get a perfect square is equal to 529 minus 525, you get 4. This is your required list number which must be added to 525 to get a perfect square. This means you write here perfect square is equal to 525 plus 4 is equal to 529. Then you find the square root of 529. 529. First you make the pair, then you count the square of natural number. For first pair, you get 2, 2 to the 4, 1, 2 is carried here. For addition and go to next step, 2 to 4, and second pair is bring down here. Then count the table of 4 for 12, you get 3 times, you write here 3, and 3 is also written here to go in the next step. And for addition, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 3 6 and 46. Therefore, square root of 529 is equal to 23. Your answer is 4 and 23. These are two answers of this question. Question number 5, fifth part is 6412. In this question, you find out the list number which must be added to 6412 to get a perfect square. And then you find out the square root of perfect square. For this purpose, you find out the square root of 6412 by division method. First, you make a pair from right to left. Count the square of natural number. For first pair, you get 8 8 is 64. 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 6 0, 8 is carried here. For addition and go to the next step. You bring down the second step. Here is 12 and here is 16. Division is not possible. Therefore, you write here 0 and you write here 0 also. Then here is remainder 12. Means 80 square is less than 6412 and 81 square is greater than 6412. You write here 80 square is less than 6412 is less than 81 square. Means when you want to get a perfect square of this number, you must add list numbers to get a perfect square of 81 square. Then you write here 81 square is equal to 81 into 81. You get, what will you get? You multiply here 81 into 81. 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64. 1 8 8 16, 1 4 5 and 6. 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 8, 8 8 ja 1, 8 8 ja 64, 1 8 8 16 का 6 1 carry, 1 4 5 and 6. Means this square is 6561. Your required number to be added to get a perfect square is equal to 6561 minus 6412. You get 11 minus 2 9, 5 minus 1 4 and 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 6 0. Your required number is 149, which must be added to 6412 to get a perfect square. Means perfect square is equal to 6412 plus 149, you get 9 to 11 1 1 4 5 5 1 6 and 4 1 5 6 5 6 1. To find the square root of 6 5 6 1 by division method, first you make a pair, then you count the square of natural numbers. 8 square is 64. You minus here, 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 6 0. 8 is carried here for addition and go to the second step. 8 8 16. You bring down the second step 61 and count the table of 16 for 16. You get 1. You write here 1 and you write here also 1 for multiplication and addition for next step. 1 1 ja 1, 1 6 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 2 6 1 means square root of 6 5 6 1 is equal to 81. Then answer is 149 and 81. The smallest number which must be added to the given number to get a perfect square is 149 and the square root of the perfect square is 81. Okay.